Alright, him booming forward the road. Lisa get excited and nice, you know. Lisa happy to see the general again, cause Kartel forward back out the road, you know. And thing. If you notice all, the way Lisa is happy, when you notice all on the stage show, the show in a stadium, it's like, Lisa's so happy, she just run up and down on the stage, run out all out of breath. She just happy for the run. The Dan again, seeing? Because she say, the big man or the boss, or the boss, she call him, you know. Seeing, she rate him. Alright now, boom bang. She do her thing and Ray, Kartel there back. And everything fine. You know what I mean? Everything are going good, Ray. Alright now, here we are going with Lisa, we're kicking in pan her now, it kind of start to affect her now. She not get for see Kartel as often as she usually see Kartel when them a flex from them time there. Seeing? It's a different vibes now, because guess what? See them in the picture now and thing, and you don't know say each time Kartel show thing, I see them in my show. Him and her flex.